What if you never had to worry about framing your FPV shot again? Because a new leak suggests that DJI's first true 360 FPV drone is almost here. And if the rumors are accurate, the upcoming DJI Avata 360 could completely change how creators fly, shoot, and edit. Today, here's everything you need to know, in under 3 minutes. Multiple leaks and early retail listings point to a launch window around March. While nothing is official yet, the amount of information surfacing suggests this drone is very close to release. And the biggest upgrade? It's all about the camera. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a dual camera system with large 1/1.1-inch sensors. The module can reportedly switch between full 360 degrees capture in 8K at 60 fps, traditional forward FPV mode in 4K up to 120 fps. That means you don't have to choose between cinematic FPV and 360 content, you get both in one drone. And the real advantage? You can focus on flying your line, then reframe the perfect angle later in post. Design-wise, DJI appears to be sticking with the compact ducted Cinewhoop style, complete with full prop guards. Leaks also suggest 4-blade propellers for smoother control. Estimated weight around 370 to 380 grams. Flight time between 23 and 25 minutes. Support for a new fast-charging hub. For a high-resolution FPV drone, that endurance is impressive. Where things get even more interesting is the intelligence. The Avata 360 is rumored to include multi-directional obstacle sensing, forward and possibly side vision sensors, potential lidar assistance. Transmission will likely use DJI's O4 system, offering lower latency and a stronger signal. Compatibility is expected with DJI Goggles N3, DJI RC2. So you still get that immersive FPV experience, just smarter and more reliable. This is where the 360 feature really changes the workflow. Imagine flying a high-speed car chase. Instead of committing to one angle, you capture everything. Then in editing, you can create dives, orbits, or tracking shots from the same flight. One drone, one take, multiple cinematic angles. That flexibility could attract not just FPV pilots, but content creators and filmmakers as well. Early listings suggest 3 tiers. Drone only, around $400 to $500. Standard combo, roughly $600 to $700. Fly more, immersive bundle, up to $800 to $1,000. Keep in mind, these prices come from Chinese retail conversions, so global pricing may vary. If these leaks hold true, the Avata 360 isn't just an upgrade, it's a new hybrid category, combining aggressive FPV performance with full 360 creative freedom. So the question is, would you actually use 360 in an FPV drone, or stick with traditional forward shooting? Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for the official launch.